What's up everyone, this is MoTutorials here, and today I'm going to show you how to boost your RAM and clear some memory on your Windows 10 PC. So basically, let's say you're trying to either download a game or get specific software that runs a lot of memory. You want to have some boosted RAM and more memory. I'm going to kind of show you what to do. So the first thing you can do is, this is one of the easier ones, you can write into the search bar and basically write uninstall, which will or add or remove programs. The main thing is we're trying to get to the page where we see all the programs where we have installed on this computer, and we want to delete them. We don't have or need them anymore. So you can actually filter this list by name, size, and install date. And a lot of times people kind of look at when they last use it, so you can kind of go from that as well. But you can see over here, if there's an app, or specifically let's just do by size to give a better perspective, that you're not using. So Visual Studio C++, maybe you don't use this. Legacy of Kain, Blood on Men, this is a PlayStation 2 game. I do play this, but let's say you don't play it. You can delete these items that you don't need anymore, or maybe you don't even know you had them. I don't even know what this, I think that's a transfer from iPhone to PC, I don't remember. But stuff like that, maybe you downloaded it, you don't even remember it, maybe you delete it, maybe you don't stream on YouTube anymore, etc, etc. This is a great way to free up memory on your PC, or to basically kind of help expedite that process. The next thing you can do is you can actually right click at the bottom over here and get into Task Manager. In here, we're going to go to Startup. And over here, you're going to see, we're going to filter basically by items that are enabled and disabled. So the items that are enabled, it'll even show you what has high to low impacts. A lot of these items are being run in the background and kind of taking up space that you don't really need. I have a lot of items disabled, and I've only kept certain things, I want my antivirus available, Elgato I want it enabled, etc, etc. A lot of these items you don't need. Maybe you don't need iTunes Helper and Cortana. If you don't talk to your PC, turn it off. You don't need Skype turning on. You can disable them. A lot of times, like I said, this will help fix your or increase your speed. So definitely do this as well. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to open up a file explorer basically over here and go into this PC. Within here, we're going to right click into properties, and we are going to click into change settings. In here, we're going to do advanced, and we're basically going to do settings for performance. Within here, we're going to click advanced again, and we're going to go over to virtual memory. This is where all your RAM is. So basically you can see how much RAM you have. So I have I think 16 gigs. So obviously it shows it up in megabytes. You can uncheck this. Again, if you have more drives, you can kind of play around. You can either let the system manage it, again, which is completely up to the system, or you can change it yourself and put the available space you want to put in, and it's by minimum megabytes, and it's within megabytes, and it tells you how much is allowed per. So you can do 16, or you can do 3000 basically is recommended. Again, sometimes the system doesn't really do it well, so maybe you want to tell it what it should be. So I keep it automatic. I just have a lot. For me, it doesn't work, but again, this is for people who don't have that much and would rather have the system do it for you do it manually yourself, so you can kind of expedite those systems that you have, or those drives, to kind of again boost the process, boost the RAM, and kind of get it from there. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys have any comments, questions, concerns, let me know in the comment section below. More than happy to help you guys out. If you overall like the video, please smash that like button, helps a lot. And if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell. On that, more tutorials out.